Well, look, everybody, it's a nice evening out there. But we're not that. We're going to be doing section 2.4, which I didn't write on the board, so I'll write section 2.4. So we have it's video. Pretty interesting here. You're excited to know this, by the way. It's section 2.4. If some of you are wondering, like, what's Mr. Hoven's favorite form of an equation? That's slope-intercept form. It really is. And it's y equals mx plus b. So you get y alone. And why do you get y alone? Because it can't stand its x. That's why you get y alone. That was made that joke. It was a good one. Another reason why we like slope-intercept form is our calculator only works when it's in slope-intercept form. To get to slope-intercept form, we're using point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. And this will be replaced with a number, this will be replaced with a number, and this will be replaced with a number. And what we will do is use that form to get us into slope-intercept form. And look what's waiting for us. A slope of 5. M means slope. It's interesting. In some other place, they spell slope with an M, slope. So the slope is 5. And it goes to the point 1, negative 7. And this is first, so this 1 because it's the first one I see. And y and a 1 because it's the first. And look here. So we go y minus y1. Negative 7 equals slope. X minus x1, which is 1. Plus, 5 plus 7. The distributive property, everybody in the room gets multiplied by 5. Everybody in the room gets multiplied by 5. Cool. Y is not alone. We want everything, test questions, to finish in slope-intercept form. Add 7 to both sides. Take away 7 from both sides. There we go. Done. Say, could you type that in your calculator? Oh, good. Could you draw a graph of it? Yep. Go down 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Up 5. Over to the right one. Cool. Well, what else is in store for us? Oh, there's a lot more, actually. There's this pretty long video. The equation of the line. Well, our formula uses slope. We don't have the slope. We need the slope. Find it. Slope equals x. There's the first y. There's the second x. There's the second y. The formula is y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Slope equals 13 minus 7 over 2 minus 1, which is a slope of 6. Now this is so cool. You can pick either point and you're going to get the same answer. So I picked this one. And here we go. Y minus 7 equals 6, parentheses x minus 1. Y minus 7 equals 6, add 7 to both sides. Y equals 6, x plus 1. Now some of you are saying, I don't think I'll get the same answer. You will. Let me just show you. You could be done. You don't need to do both, but I'm going to do both because I want to. I'm going to use this one now. Y minus 13 equals 6x minus 2. Oh no, that doesn't look like it's going to be the same. Everybody in the room gets multiplied by 6. Everybody in the room gets add 13 to both sides. Hello. They are the same. Cool. Not this chapter, or this section. Parallel lines have equal slopes. What's the slope of that? 1? No, that's wrong. 2/3, yes. Hey, what would a parallel slope be? Sometimes I put a little parallel sign there, because I can. Perpendicular slopes have opposite reciprocals. what would the slope of a perpendicular be? And sometimes I put the little perpendicular sign there. The slope of perpendicular would be the opposite reciprocal. You flip it over and make it negative to positive. If you don't remember reciprocal, we like to call it a refliprical. Refliprical. It helps you remember. Is there more? Nothing on the smartboard. Maybe we're done. Don't you believe it for a second. And finally, find the equation of a line perpendicular to y equals 2x plus 3. We first need to find the slope of the perpendicular. It is the opposite reciprocal. 2 over 1, refliprical, and opposite to negative 1/2. We're going to use that. We're going to use that. Y minus y1 equals m slope. X minus x1, chop chop. Y plus 7, half x. Ooh, fractions. Oh no, fractions. I'm not going to ever pass it. Yeah, what's half of 8 for? Cool. Add 7 to both sides. Take away 7 to both sides. Boom. You could graph that, or you could not. Thanks for paying attention. Okay, my bad. I was just watching through that last video. The slope was negative 1/2. I used 1/2. Are you embarrassed that I'm your teacher? I'm not embarrassed. I just made a mistake. Glad it wasn't a test mistake. I think I should get my hair cut. I usually wear a baseball cap. Let me fix it. My bad, my bad, my bad. Should have been a slope of negative 1/2, which make this negative 1/2. Negative times negative is positive. And take away 7 should be 3. Apologize. That's the right answer. Don't show your friends with different teachers that I made a mistake. Okay, I'm done. I'm going home. I forgot to put a negative on the final answer there. Just pretend like I did. Okay, I'm going home. Bye.